Listen up, entrepreneurs and aspiring moguls. The world of business is evolving at a breakneck speed, and if you want to stay ahead, you need to evolve with it. The digital age isn't coming, it's here, and it's changing the game faster than ever. Every second, new technologies emerge and consumer behaviors shift. The question is, are you ready to adapt? You want to win? You gotta master the art of digital marketing. This ain't an option, it's a necessity. Digital marketing is no longer just a tool, it's the backbone of modern business strategy. Gone are the days of billboard blitzkriegs and TV ad takeovers. Today's battlefield is online. The internet is where the action happens, and it's where you need to be. It's where your customers live, breathe, and most importantly, spend their money. They are constantly connected, always on the lookout for the next big thing. You gotta meet them where they are. This means understanding their habits, preferences, and the platforms they frequent. Think about it. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Check your phone, right? It's become an integral part of our daily routine. Scroll through Instagram, catch up on some news, maybe watch a quick YouTube video. This is the new normal, and it's where your marketing efforts need to be focused. Your customers are doing the same. They're glued to their screens, consuming content like it's oxygen. This is your golden opportunity. That's your opportunity, folks. That's your chance to grab their attention, tell them your story, and show them why your product or service is the answer to their prayers. But it's not just about being present, it's about being compelling. But here's the kicker. You gotta do it right. It's not enough to just throw content out there and hope it sticks. You need a strategy, a plan that is as dynamic and adaptable as the digital landscape itself. This means investing time in understanding your audience, creating high-quality content, and leveraging data to refine your approach. It's about being consistent and persistent. Track your performance, analyze the data, and tweak your strategies accordingly. The beauty of digital marketing is that it allows for real-time adjustments. Engage with your audience through interactive campaigns, social media posts, and personalized content. Make them feel valued and heard. Collaborate with influencers and digital creators who align with your brand. Their reach and credibility can amplify your message and expand your audience. Utilize email marketing and targeted ads to reach specific segments of your audience. Personalization is key in making your customers feel special. Encourage customer feedback and reviews. Building trust through digital platforms is crucial for long-term success. Celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing forward, keep innovating, and you'll see your business grow like never before. So, gear up, entrepreneurs. The digital age is here, and it's time to market like a machine. Your future success depends on it. All right, let's talk content marketing. This is the bread and butter of your digital strategy, the meat and potatoes, the whole darn enchilada. It's about creating and sharing valuable, compelling, and engaging content that your target audience actually wants to consume. Think blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, podcasts, anything that educates, entertains, or inspires. The key here is value. You gotta give your audience something they actually give a damn about. Let's say you're selling eco-friendly sneakers. Don't just bombard people with ads about how great your shoes are. Create content around sustainability and fashion, the benefits of ethical manufacturing, or even tips on how to reduce your carbon footprint. Become a resource, a trusted source of information, and watch as your audience starts to associate your brand with something positive and meaningful. That's how you build loyalty, my friends. That's how you turn casual scrollers into raving fans. Now let's talk social media, the ultimate digital playground. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. These platforms are where your audience hangs out, connects with friends, and discovers new things. But here's the deal. You can't just show up and start blasting out sales pitches. That's the fastest way to get ignored, blocked, and banished to the digital wasteland. Instead, you gotta be social. Engage with your followers, answer their questions, run contests, share behind-the-scenes content, and show some personality. People buy from people, so let your brand's human side shine through. Remember, it's not about being everywhere at once. It's about being where your audience is and showing up consistently. Focus on the platforms that make sense for your business and create content that resonates with the people you're trying to reach. Ever heard of SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's basically the art of making your website and content more visible in search engine results pages, SERPs. In layman's terms, it's about showing up when people search for stuff related to your brand. Think about it, when you need to find something online, what do? You Google it, right? Your customers do the same thing. They're typing in keywords and phrases related to your products or services, and if your website doesn't show up on the first page of results, you're missing out on valuable traffic. SEO is a complex beast, but here are a few key things to focus on. Keyword research, figuring out what people are actually searching for. On-page optimization, making sure your website is structured correctly and uses relevant keywords. And link building, getting other websites to link back to yours. Section 5. Email marketing magic, building relationships. One inbox at a time. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. While it might seem old school in today's fast-paced digital world, it's still one of the most effective ways to build relationships with your audience and drive sales. Think about it. Your email list is like a gold mine. It's a direct line of communication to people who have already expressed interest in your brand. But here's the thing, you gotta treat your subscribers right. No one wants to be bombarded with spammy sales pitches. Instead, focus on providing value, share exclusive content, offer discounts, send personalized recommendations, and show your subscribers that you care. Section 6. Paid advertising power. Reaching the right people with laser focus. Let's face it, organic reach is great, but sometimes you gotta put some money behind your marketing efforts to really move the needle. That's where paid advertising comes in. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising platforms allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that your message is seen by the right people at the right time. The key to paid advertising is to be strategic. Don't just throw money at a campaign and hope for the best. Define your target audience, set clear goals, test different ad creatives, and track your results religiously. Section 7. Influencer influence. Tapping into trust and authority for big wins. Influencer marketing is all the rage these days, and for good reason. By partnering with influencers, people who have a large and engaged following in your niche, you can tap into their credibility and reach to boost your brand awareness and drive sales. Think about it. People trust recommendations from people they follow and admire. When an influencer recommends your product or service, it's like getting a stamp of approval from a trusted friend. But remember, influencer marketing is about more than just sending free products and hoping for a shout-out. You need to build genuine relationships with influencers who align with your brand values and whose audience matches your target market. Section 8. Analytics. Addiction. Measuring what matters for Marketing Mojo. Here's the thing about digital marketing. You can't improve what you don't measure. That's why it's crucial to track your results and analyze your data to see what's working and what's not. Luckily, there are tons of tools available to help you track everything from website traffic and social media engagement to email open rates and conversion rates. The key is to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business goals and use that data to make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. Section 9. The Don't Be Dumb Zone. Common digital marketing mistakes to dodge. Now let's talk about some common digital marketing mistakes to avoid. First up, being inconsistent. You can't expect to see results if you're only posting on social media once a month or sending out an email newsletter every 6 months. Next, ignoring your audience. Listen to what people are saying about your brand online, respond to comments and messages, and use that feedback to improve your products, services, and marketing efforts. And last but not least, being afraid to experiment. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing, so don't be afraid to try new things, test different strategies, and see what works best for your business. Section 10. Crystal ball gazing, future trends, shaping the marketing landscape. So, what does the future hold for digital marketing? Well, one thing's for sure. It's going to be all about personalization. With the rise of AI and big data, marketers will be able to deliver highly targeted and personalized experiences to individual customers. Another trend to watch out for, the rise of voice search and visual search. As more and more people use voice assistants like Siri and Alexa and visual search tools like Google Lens, marketers will need to optimize their content for these platforms. And finally, the lines between the physical and digital worlds will continue to blur, with technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, creating immersive and interactive brand experiences. Section 11, Marketing Mastery, bringing it all together for explosive growth. So, there you have it, folks. The keys to unlocking digital marketing mastery. Remember, it's all about providing value, building relationships, and staying ahead of the curve. Embrace the power of content marketing, social media, SEO, email marketing, and paid advertising. Don't be afraid to experiment, track your results, and never, ever stop learning. The digital marketing landscape might be constantly evolving, but one thing remains constant: the power of human connection. So, get out there, tell your story, connect with your audience, and watch your business soar to new heights.